graph the following system of inequalities. So if you notice, this is a system of inequalities because we have the inequality greater than and greater than as well. So we have two inequalities. The first one, it's already on slope-intercept form, so it's very easy to graph. That's the y-intercept. So your y-intercept is positive 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. We have a negative slope. It's a negative slope, and remember the negative belongs to the top number or to the bottom, but not to both. So we're going to assume that it belongs to the top number, to the numerator. So we're going to go down 3, 1, 2, 3, and over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's negative slope, so down and to the right. Now we need to decide if it's going to be a solid or a dashed line. So in this case it's greater than, it's not equal to, so it's going to be a dashed line. And I need to decide if I'm going to shade the low side or the top side. Now, there's a different way of doing it. You can plug in 0, 0 to determine if it's a solution, or we can just see that if it's greater than, it's going to be the top. If it's less than, it will be the low side. So we have, if it's less than, it will be the low side, the bottom. Greater will be the top side. Or just like it says, y is greater than. So all your solutions are greater than the line. And I usually place a few arrows, and ideally you want to be able to shade this section. Now I'm going to graph the second equation. In order to graph it, I need to place it into slope-intercept form. Therefore I'm going to move my 3x to the right, becomes a positive 3x. We have 2y is greater than 3x minus 14. And then I'm going to divide by 2, divide by 2, divide by 2. That will cancel. So y is greater than 3 over 2x minus 7. Now I'm going to graph it. The y-intercept is negative 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. My slope is up 3 to the right 2. It's positive, so I'm going to go up 1, 2, 3, and over 2. Remember that you want to repeat your slope as many times as possible. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. And that's it. In this case, it's also going to be a dashed line. And I also need to shade the top side. This is greater than, so it'll be the top. Greater means the top. So on the first inequality, we were going to be shading this section. On the second one, we'll be shading this whole section. So as you guys can tell, this is a section that they will be overlapping. And you guys will be able to tell just by the arrows, all of the arrows are pointing that way.